So today we are going to go see Brewster in his coffee shop. And let's see if he has any visitors. First you have to go through the museum. So once you're in the coffee shop, you're going to sit down in front of Bruiser and he's going to say, I was hoping to see you today, and then he's going to charge you for 200 bells for coffee. Now, if you have some Amiibo cards, you can call the Amiibo Center and to say, I want to invite a customer. Let's go talk to Toby and see how he's doing. So once you're done talking to Toby, you can use the call center and call another Amiibo. And let's see who we get. Come on down, Isabella. We'll see how you're doing. getting coffee to go from Booster. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more Amiibo characters come to the coffee shop, and let's talk to them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more.